Hello, this presentation of the Simón Bolívar Park, Espinal Tolima. Student Ether Steven Murcia, teacher Joan Manuel Triana Urueña. Where is it? It is located in Espinal in the Tolima department, Colombia. It is in the center of the city near important streets and local business. This park is easy to find and access for both locals and tourists. Many people visit this place every day to relax and spend time with family and friends. It is one of the most important places in the city. What is it like? It is a very beautiful, colorful and peaceful place. The park is big, clean and well organized. It's just main green areas that make it look fresh and natural. The weather is useful, but um, it is lively and attractive. It, it this park Tweety are main trees and great art that provides shade. Tweety are a bench where people can sit, read and talk, where hard hills, walkways where people can walk and enjoy the place, and in the center where it is main square where people water near the park where are restaurants, shops and small punis. Important element. The most important element in the park is the statue of Simon Bolivar. It is located in the central area of the park. Simon Bolivar was a very important historical leader in Colombia and Latin America. The statue represents freedom and independence. Many people visit this place to take photos and learn about history. It is a symbol of pride for the city. What feeling does this place convey? This place gives feeling of peace and happiness. It is very relaxing and calm. People feel comfortable and safe when they visit the park. Sometimes it is lively and full of people. It is a perfect place to forget stress and enjoy the moment. My personal opinion, I choose this place because it is very special to me. I have visited this park many times with my family and friends. I like it because it is beautiful, calm and full of life. It is a great place to relax and enjoy nature. In my opinion, it is one of the best places in El Espinal. Thank you.